Your door, sir.
Thank you. Nice little bike you got there. It's drone time.
Bug boy.
Hey. Hey, man. Okay, we got drone. Wallet. Wallet. I don't need my wallet. Wallet. Wallet, my friend. Whoop, whoop.
Did you switch it back to horizontal?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why? Because I don't have to worry about like being on. I'm in the shot. I can just frame it wherever it. I don't want to fuck it up. Let's kick it. Ain't she so purty though? She a purty little girl.
Oh gosh.
Ow! Oh! It pinched me. Okay, let me double check. I got everything. Drone battery, controller, battery, cable, phone. Okay, cool. Let's kick it. Easier.
Hopefully that tire's not like flat. Oh, really sorry.
That would. Oh, he's playing fetch. He's playing fetch, guys. This is our little secret trail. Go, Zenith. Go, go. Let me know how muddy it is. Rip my shoes, damn it. Oh, dude, this is soft.
That part is.
Oh, I should have taken your shoes. Oh, this is all pretty soft. Little scenery out here. So we're about to fly our FPV drone with Mr. Zenith over here. They found these little jumps behind our neighborhood, so I don't know where they are. I think they're somewhere up here, but oh shoot, there they are. Oh damn, this is sick. They put some work in. They put some real work in.
Yeah, you rented a skid steer for 10 days.
No way.
Yeah.
That's fire.
That's what I've heard at least.
You. Oh yeah. Haha. This is fire. Oh dude, I love the front camera. That's sick.
Oh yeah.
Now that's innovation right there.
Innovation that makes sense.
Cool. So we got our FPV drone. We got a little electric dirt bike. We got some creative skills in mind, so let's get to flying, baby. All right, so I'm gonna strap y'all to my chest. This guy needs to not die over here while I record. All right, this might work. This is just my work. Okay, I need to find a place. All right, I'm taking off. Hold on. All right, recording on everything. We good. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, see you in a second. All right, I'm gonna come behind you. When you hear like right behind you, just start.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Oh wait, let me turn my GoPro on.
Yeah. All right, I mean, let's see where I can go. See if I can get through the trees. Can't really see. All right, get to it.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting real close and personal. I might have to have it on like a little quicker speed. Dude, that's a fun little run.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get close, like roll behind you. Just try to do like a full run. Just like,
This is the full run.
that is a full run? Okay, cool, perfect.
Yeah.
You. Here he goes. Damn, that thing is crazy loud.
I almost died twice on that one.
Dude, I know, that thing is insane. All right, I'm gonna go FPV mode on this one, see how I can do.
Whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1, go for it. This thing is so fast. It's hard to like really do anything with it.
So what?
This thing is so fast. Like I'm so high above you, but I'm just trying to like make sure the GoPro's like at least in shot for you.
Yeah. Can you follow me?
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm gonna slow it down on this one. Go.
Now?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, almost dropped the GoPro. I was on your ass. Yeah, I was real close to you. Oh, let's try that again. Hold on, where am I? Okay. This is so scary. Okay. And give me a sec. Go. Woo-hoo!
That one was bad on my end.
Dude, no, that was good. I was going like real on your ass.
Nice.
Keep doing a couple. Just I got like 45%.
Okay. Woo! Exhausting.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get one like of you coming up on this little jump.
All right, let me know when you're ready.
What's behind me right now on the drone?
You're good.
Okay, how much space I got behind?
20 if you don't go down.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go for it. Oh, I almost crashed into you into the dirt. Oh, that is scary. Okay, I'm gonna go FPV again, but I'm gonna see if I can get like okay, go in 3, 2, 1. That's so far. Oh, wait, hold on. Before I'm out of battery.
You said you're out of battery?
No, before I'm out of battery, I'm gonna try something. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing. Just jump like next to me. All right, on 3, 2, 1, go. No, come on. Yeah. Go. Bro, that was so clean. Yeah, GoPro, the selfie camera on this thing, pretty sick. I love that I can see myself here. Flip the camera, still see the view. Come back around and still be good. Look at this guy. We just got done filming with the FPV drone. Y'all gonna see a nice couple clips with this, so make sure y'all stay tuned. GoPro, you're the best.